Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you all doing? I'm excited to be here today. After a while, I've been very busy with my other new business. And you see, you just have to grow. You have to multiply your money. You need to send your money on an errand to keep making money. If you really want to make money in this season, and I've been very very busy, and the companies are growing. The companies are growing. The FMS Limited, the has come out straight from my Wolabi company, and you see, and I'm excited about it. Thank you to my board. Our board recommended that all the companies stand alone. So we've been busy, like really, really been busy, and that's why you've not been hearing consistently from me as it used to be. However, when I saw the conditions, my conditions, what I see that makes me go to work when it comes to cryptocurrency investment, I open up, and I really, really don't want to keep this to myself. As usual, I want to share it with a lot of you that are my audience so that you can begin to position your portfolio, because what is about to come, history is about to repeat itself, and the money that is going to be available this season is going to be a very long one. Because one of the reason is because we have in the United States currently, we have the president that is a pro crypto. We have the Senate that are pro cryptos. We have, a lot of things that are pro cryptos right now. And even the Chinese are also trying to archive to get a lot of Bitcoin reserve. You know, even US is saying that they want to have the largest BTC reserve in the world. So you can begin to see that we are entering a phase that is very, very, very crucial to you as an investor, so that you can begin to take position. Take position. And like, if you have watched my training since 2020, I've been telling us that the first 15 years is for the early adopters. The next 15 years is when the institutions comes in, and that is where we are currently. The first 15 years is for early adopters. Okay, the next 15 years is the institutions coming in, and the next 70 years, the next 45 years, about 50 years, okay, yes, is going to be where cryptocurrency will be common across board. And the last 15 years thereabout is where we're going to be having the new, if there's going to be another solution that will be more faster or more protective, more decentralized than cryptocurrency, it will definitely come. So right now we are still in the early space. Okay, we're still in the early space, and I'm really pumped up about this, that this is the time I'm alive. Okay, I'm really pumped up. So there's so much money to be made. The last bull run, by the grace of God, I and the community members made so much money. So, Mr. Mayawa, I saw this on your group. I saw this on your status. I saw this on, and what can I do? What can I do? So let me drive this home quickly. The first thing you want to know is that there are patterns, there are conditions, there are, major things that happen in the major moves that happen in the market that opens us up the the bull run. Okay, to the bull run. And I'm going to break that down for you carefully. So quickly, let's get to the first one. The first one is that Ethereum starts outperforming BTC. So if you go straight to Ethereum USD, you would see that the candle movement of Ethereum for the past 1 week are giving about 40% movement. When you go to BTC itself, you would see that the movement here, you see that is about 10%. The same week, the same candle. So what that means is that Ethereum, it's already outperforming BTC. And Ethereum is the mother of more than like 60% is mother of the market, is the mother of the crypto market. Bitcoin is the king, Ethereum is the queen. So that's the first point. Now, to drive that home quickly, there's also an asset that is called the Ethereum BTC. Now I'm going deeper, right? Yes. Ethereum BTC. Now, Ethereum BTC is a major indicator that opens up the market. So let me go to 2020 around March. 2020 around March. 2020 around March. This was the declaration around March. That was the declaration. And that took us straight away between that time to 2020 when the market retraced back down. You see that? That gave about 312%. Now, what happened in 2020 is happening again. That Ethereum BTC has formed a major engulfing that powers the what? That powers the altcoin. So this is an amazing confirmation that tells us that Ethereum is outperforming BTC. Now, if you're a supply and demand trader, an ITC trader like me, this is a reversal level, and you will agree with me that this zone had a structure clear here. So coming into this place, this opens the market up for another 300% market move. So this is the call, guys. This is the call one. But you see, in life, you must understand that you don't want to stick to a condition, just one move. You want to have at least 2 to 3 conditions that backs up your data, that backs up your decision. Sorry, you must have 2 to 3 data conditions that backs up your decisions, basically. So when I saw this happen, I said I was going to release this to the public. That you can get ready right now and start positioning, start injecting some good funds into the market. And we've been buying since last year. We've been buying, okay? I and my team have been buying for the past 1 year, 18 months. We've been buying. We're just buying. We're just waiting for this season to come so that we can go all in. So right now, we are ready to go all in. So the second condition is the asset class that is called BTC dominance. Okay, BTC dominance. BTC dominance, you see. And when it comes to BTC dominance, I've been personally waiting on a major reversal on this supply zone. So this is a monthly supply zone. And I've been waiting for a major reversal in this space for the past, like, geez, even when it first touched this zone in February, that's about 2 months ago, 3 months ago, you see, I was like, okay, what are we saying here? But the volume had not come in. Okay, and one of my conditions that I like to always see is volume. I like volume. I like volume. Like, volume says a lot, you know. Volume says a lot. So immediately this came in, this momentum came in. I knew that it is in alignment with Ethereum BTC, is in alignment with Ethereum outperforming BTC, then I knew that, come on, guys, this is the call we've been waiting for. So if you check what happened in 2020, that we had something related around this volume. So if you go to monthly time frame, we add that volume. You see the volume, the call for the volume. That's the first declaration in 2020. You see, the market retraced back and gave another volume, which is an engulfing candle. Then that dropped the market between 2021 January till 2022 till October 2022. And immediately we got this reversal again, it means that it was time to exit the market in 2022, February, and the rest. So, and that's when the reversal happened. So if you check these two datas, you will have an idea of what I'm talking about, that the condition is happening again. Come on. The volume is in, and we're going to be going all in. Now, the third one is leveraging on the asset class called the DXY. You see, the DXY has a way of adding up to the market conditions. And this time around, you have to be using what we call basic structure, basically, basic structure. So you agree with me that there was a high, there was a low, there was a lower high, and there was a lower low. So market structure cleared them. Then the market retraced back up here into the supply zone here. And when it did that, it gave a morning star, and that declared the retracement back down here. So what I see happening with all this condition is that there is a call to start buying right now. So I am going to be, I'm going to be in right now with my team. We're going to be in. Already we have about 70 projects that is on our radar for this bull run. And you all want to start doing your own research, picking your own asset class, and start investing. Now, one of the things I also want you to know, that it is not a must that you have all the money. Okay, you don't need to have all the money. You just need to start. You don't need to wait till you have $1,000, $5,000, $2,000, $10,000. If you have your $50, if you have your $100, pick up your assets. Okay, pick up your asset, start investing. Start investing and give it till next year, March, June. Okay, so I'm going to be holding every asset that I'm buying now till around March and June next year before I see my reversal condition. And when I see my reversal condition, I and my team will definitely let you all know that the reversal has happened and I'm cashing out. Okay, and we're good to go, basically. So, guys, this is what I have for you this amazing season. It is time to start paying attention. You can afford to be distracted. The pattern is repeating itself again. Ethereum is already outperforming BTC. BTC dominance is dropping already. The DXY is weakening, and the blueprint for hot season is here for you. So you're about to see and witness the history again, because the season is here. So, Mr. Mayowa, now that you've identified these conditions, what asset are you putting money in? Obviously, I can't say all of those assets here because of the people that are paying for it in the community. But I'm going to give you what I am doing, okay? What I'm looking out for. So that brings us to the section So we have so many categories. Okay, so many asset categories that we are looking out for. Okay, so the asset categories that I'm looking out for in this bull run is basically these five. Okay, it's basically these five. I want to be able to, because the next decade is the decade of the AI. Okay, so decade of AI. We're going to be moving from AI to AI agents, from better ways to apply the use of AI, basically. So on top of my list of the asset that I'm going to be investing, like maybe 15 to 25% of my account, of my portfolio, is AI. Okay. And you can get all of that. You can get all of that when you go to crypto rank, or you go to coin market cap, or you go to anyone that works for you. You can go to the so here you go to categories. Can you see categories? When you come to crypto rank, you come to coins, you see all categories. So under all categories, you're going to see what we call AI. Okay, let's see if we have AI. Okay, AI is standing aside here. So this is AI. Okay, so this is AI. So this is AI project. So you can sit here and do your research. Okay, uh, before you invest, basically. You do your research, check out the projects, check out the investors, check out their check out the project, check out the people behind the project, check out the tokenomics, what makes up the tokenomics, check out their website, check out their activity on Twitter, you know. So you select that and you're good to go, basically. So when you move through that and you select 3, 4, 5 projects, you're good to go. Okay. So you can also check out the AI agents, because that's common right now. The AI agents, you see, a lot of projects are already, outside around the AI agents that you can leverage on. All of them is there's a lot that will be happening. There's a lot that will be happening this season. So please take your time. Don't rush. Don't say this is the almighty project. Just pick a project that meets your condition and you're good to go. So the second category is game. Okay. I made a lot of money from the last bull run. Okay. And I can tell you for free, game would do it again. Game would do it again. So game would do it again. So game. Why is he bringing only one? Okay, cool. Game would do it again. So these are game projects. Okay. Because game can't stop coming up. Games can't stop coming up. Okay. So games. We have about 1,400 gaming projects on this particular website. But if you go to the crypto rank and crypto coin market cap and coin gecko, you see a lot of them. Okay, so you want to say to yourself, okay, these are projects that I'm looking out for in the next 8 months to the next 1 year, 1 year to 18 months. Sorry, 1 year to 18 months. Good. So another project that is on my radar this season is called blockchain infrastructure or blockchain services, the two together. I'm going to be investing in that. Okay. I'm going to be investing in that. Then we have reward assets. Reward asset is going to do well in this next bull run. Reward asset is going to do well. So you want to check out reward assets. Reward asset. Let me do that for you. RWA. Yeah. Reward assets. You want to check reward assets. Assets that has to do with real time, real life projects. Okay. Reward asset. Check them out. Okay, check them out. Check them out. I'm tempted to mention so many projects, but guys, there are lots of them. So you want to take your time, okay? You want to take your time to check them out, okay? If you've been following me before now, you know I've listed a lot of my checklists for you. Good. So another one is Launchpad. Launchpad will always perform in every bull run. Okay, why? Because they are the ones that are raising money for the investors. Okay, sorry, they are the one raising money for the project. So Launchpad will do well. So these are the five categories I'm going to be heavily invested in. I'm going to be heavily investing in, in this bull run. Now, Mr. Mayowa, you're not going to invest in meme coin. Yes, I don't put. Okay, so I categorize meme coin as a very extreme low portfolio, extreme low trust portfolio in my own classification. So I'm going to be investing in meme coin, but meme coin might not be up to 5% or 3% of my entire portfolio. Okay. So I'm just going to use my trading conditions to go in some of them, and we'll go to go. So take your time, do your research, uh, select the project, repeat it over and over again, and we're good to go. There are so many projects outside there that will give you the money you're looking for. Hope I've been able to add value to you this morning, whatever time you're watching. So watch through the video again, take action, go on all the platform, research your project, invest your money, and you're good to go. And for a lot of you who really don't have time to do all the research, and you have some money to invest for yourself, and you want to say, oh, Mr. Mayowa, I like what you're saying, I'm interested, there will be a link in the description for you to join our crypto community, basically. And in the crypto community, you can have access to our 70 projects that we have researched on already. Then you can share your money among the best 20 or best 30, as the case may be. We've done all the research, all the conditions are there. Just click on the description, on the link in the description box below, and you can join the community for that, and you'll be good to go. So that will be all for now. Begin to invest, begin to invest, begin to research, begin to invest, and you're good to go. So do have a pleasant day. My name remains Maya Wolabi, founder of FMS Limited, and I look forward to your success. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Bye-bye for now.